Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome ran out of memory, fix our snap error, Google Chrome crash. First, open up your Google Chrome and click on the three dots right here at the top right part of the Google Chrome windows and click on settings at the bottom part of this menu options. From here, we're going to click on privacy and security from the options we have at the left part. From here, we are going to click on delete browsing data. Go to the Advanced tab right here and make sure that the first four are selected like this one. Make sure they are checked and click on Delete Data right here. Click on OK. And the second step would be to click on Extensions right here at the bottom part from the options at the left. And if you have some extensions that you don't use anymore, you have to remove them so that you'll have memory within your Google Chrome. The next step would be to search for Run. Click on Run and this window will pop up, and what we're going to type in is clean mgr. After you have typed that in, click on OK and select the drive you want to clean up. So I'm just going to clean up my C drive first, and this window will appear. What we're going to do is select all of these, and once you have checked and selected everything, click on Clean Up System Files and click on OK again right here. And the disk cleanup is calculating how much we can clean up, and we can free up 1.82 gigabytes for my computer. And once you want to go on with it, click on OK right here. And you want to make sure if you want to permanently delete these files, just click on Delete Files, and it will clean up unnecessary files on your machine and have more memory on your device, which can help with the Google Chrome error. So just wait for it to be completed to help fix your Google Chrome. You can also then repeat those steps for other drives that you want to clean up. The next step would be to right-click on the Start or Windows icon and click on Windows Manager or Task Manager. And this Task Manager window will pop up, and what we're going to do is to click on Memory right here. Click on it again, and what that does is it will show the apps that utilize the most memory. It will have that app on top of this list. For example, for mine, Google Chrome is using the most memory right now. And if you have other apps that use a lot of memory and you don't use it anymore, you can right click on it and click on End Task to free up some memory, and it can be used more within Google Chrome, which can help with the problem. So just right click on it and click on End Task to have more free memory. Next step will be to search for CMD, and we run it as administrator. Click on Yes, and what we're going to type in here is SFC /scan now. Hit enter and it will begin system scan, and just wait for it, and it can help with scanning your system and fixing some bugs. Next step will be to check for updates. Click on it. Make sure that your Windows version is up to date. If not, just install the update and restart your computer. If that does not work, we have the next step be to search for add or remove programs. Click on it and find Google Chrome right here on this list, and here it is. What we're going to do is to uninstall Google Chrome and reinstall it on another browser. So just search for Google Chrome and install the app again. That is how you can basically fix the Google Chrome ran out of memory error. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.